Step 1, you should be able to do at least 10 to 15 power pull-ups. Step 2, you should be able to do at least 10 to 15 front dips. Step 3, you should be able to do at least 10 to 15 L-sit pull-ups. Step 4, you want this movement right here, I don't know what to call it, I'm just going to call them swinging L-sits, but you want to be able to at least do 10 to 15 of these. Technique number 1, you're going to want to swing, and as you're coming forward, you're going to want to pretend you're dipping your toes in the bucket. This causes your hips to push forward, giving you a little bit more momentum. Technique number 2, as your momentum is coming backwards after dipping your toes forward, you're going to want to swing into the L-sit. Technique number 3, once you're high enough over the bar from swinging backwards into the L-sit, you're going to pull yourself in, landing on top of the bar, going into the dip, and now you're doing a full muscle up.